How are you, viewers? Welcome again to this channel. You see, this gas burner, you can convert it into a shower head when it has worn out. This is good, but there's another one that was dumped because it is not good. So we have decided to modify it, and you can modify it like this. This is a wasted gas burner. Just look, they are just this similar, but I have modified this one so that I can use it as a shower head. And the only thing that you need to do is just you modify this place. You remove the rod, the pipe that is inserted here, and in place you can put a pipe here by joining. Just join. You are joining it. You see, it is fun. You can make your own shower head at your home. You don't just to throw because it has worn out and you dump it. Just look. Look, you have converted your Bunsen burner. This one. It is the one that is here. You should not throw it on. Sometimes you use modification and it is good with you. Just look. Now you are there bathing. You can bathe yourself. It's called the craft. We are moving on. May God bless you as you watch this video. Hallelujah. It is wonderful. Shower head from a Bunsen burner, from a burner of a gas, you can make a shower head. You can also modify it. You can put a tap here and you go on. Viewers, may you have a good day.